The Revolution in Rolling, A History of Wheel Materials. Throughout the long history of humanity, few inventions have genuinely propelled the course of civilization like this one, the wheel. Around 3500 before Christ, the earliest solid wooden wheels came into existence. Though cumbersome and jarring, they represented humanity's most monumental leap forward. Human ingenuity never ceases. Following the solid wheel, the spoked wheel emerged some 2000 years later. It was like giving wings to the chariot, allowing it to gallop freely and completely rewriting the pace of civilization. To combat wear and tear, people shod wooden wheels with iron shoes. These metal rims drastically extended their lifespan, bearing the weight of empires and commerce as they rumbled over stone-paved roads for millennia. The hammer of the Industrial Revolution forged a new chapter. Cast iron wheels, though incredibly heavy, they were robust enough to withstand the immense power of steam locomotives, heralding the era of steel beasts. In 1888, a doctor named John Boyd Dunlop sought to smooth the ride for his son's bicycle. His invention, the pneumatic rubber tire, was a revolution that rode incredibly. It provided unparalleled cushioning, grip, and a quiet ride. From then on, cars were no longer machines of pain but became symbols of freedom, truly ushering in a new era of personal transportation. The widespread adoption of aluminum alloy wheels delivered reduced weight, improved heat dissipation, and sleeker designs. Today, carbon fiber, a material born from aerospace technology, is pushing the limits of lightweighting and strength, making possible the dream of creating the fastest machines on Earth.